Your dream for your life, your business, your health, your money, your time, all of that is spirit seeking to express in an ever greater, freer way. That's what gives us that longing and the discontent with it not happening. So the laser tool we have is our words. Our words construct the world we get to enjoy or not enjoy. And words are not, they are the ones we speak, but they are also the ones we think. On a scale of 1 to 5, how would you rate, right now, nobody's going to see this, so you make it with yourself. But how would you rate the health of your own self-talk? What you tend to hear when you're talking to yourself during the day. And if it's disempowering, give yourself a 1. If you think, you know, I've been in this odd trend, it's a trend I don't want, but I've been in it anyway. We can't change something we can't really look at. So I'm not telling you that I have great all the time, but I trend that way. And I trained myself to trend that way, causing myself to say words to myself that are empowering and let my thoughts follow my command instead of me following the command of the thoughts that I've thought before or got programmed into me. This power that you're dictating, I'm dictating with the word. In the beginning is the word. Word is vibration. It expands and projects itself in the direction your word indicates and ultimately develops into physical expression. It is this ever-present creative power in the heart of the word that makes your health, your peace of mind, your financial condition a reproduction of your most habitual thought. So whether I have not such great health, not such great peace, not such a great financial condition, that simply is the screen of the pattern of the vibration I'm in through the words because those words then generate images. And as you imagine your possible future, or you're just imagining, you think you've got your vision and then something occurs to you and you go, oh, then that could happen, and then that could happen, and then that could happen. And if you are aware enough to notice, you'll notice that you feel contractive. That's the first creation of those words, is creating contraction first in my body, in my own energetic field. I feel it. Or if I construct words and patterns of words that feel expansive, that's the first creation. It's natural in the human system. You feel more hopeful. You feel more optimistic. Different ideas are attracted to us on the wavelength of our attention. Once a thing seems normal to you, this is important. So that internal stimulus, I would love this, I would love this, I would love this, I'm tired of this, I feel constricted by that, is to shape that into a vision. It's an interior source. It stimulates you to a higher experience of yourself. And as you practice using words that I am this, even though it doesn't look like it out here right now, this is just what it looks like while my vision is coming into experience. And first, a place it has to be created from is inside me. It can't be out there if it's not inside me. It's a reflective universe. Once a thing seems normal to you, it is as surely yours through the law of growth and attraction as it is yours to no addition after you have learned to use the figures. It's yours. In the beginning of transforming a state, you say the words, but you don't feel them. And some people give up then. Well, I'm not feeling them. It's not real. I'm like a fraud. Your old state will be saying that to you because it was repeated. That's why you have that condition, or why I have that condition. So our affirmation I'm encouraging you to work with this week: knowing my words create my world, I choose words that create the world I want. Knowing my words create my world, I choose words that create the world I want. Let's say it together out loud. Knowing my words create my world, I choose words that create the world I want. So our recap: words have energy, life force in them, power germs, as Genevieve Barron calls them. They affect our physiology, our whole body and the body of our life. The words we use become the architect for our success or our failure. We can choose our words to be in harmony with our vision. Knowing my words create my world. I choose words that create the world I want.